Hi all, welcome to the assignment session of Introduction to Machine Learning. So let's go through the questions of this assignment. The first question is for binary classification using logistic regression, the decision boundary between the class look like. So the decision boundary between the class, suppose there are two classes. These are the two classes. So to draw the decision boundary, we use logit function, and that will be a linear combination in terms of betas. That's why there will be a linear boundary to separate classes. Hence, the correct answer will be B. The decision boundary is linear. Let's go to question number 2. Assume there are two Gaussian distributions centered at 4, 2 and 8, 4 and have identity covariance matrix. Which of the following is the separating decision boundary for linear discriminant analysis? So here we are given some options and we need to identify which will be the correct decision boundary for discriminant analysis. So if we recollect, if they have identity covariance matrix, in that case the shape will be circular and the decision boundary will be perpendicular to the line joining those centers C1 and C2. So the question for this perpendicular line uh, will be y minus 2 minus 1 divided by the slope from these 2 points, that can be calculated as 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 8 minus 4 is 4 into x minus 4. Hence y minus 2, this will be 2x minus 8. So the correct answer to x will be 2x minus y equal to 6. So the correct answer will be D. Let's go to the question number 3. Suppose the data consists of two classes shown in orange and blue colors. Which of the following feature selection technique can be used for binary classification? Here we can see the spread is along x-axis. Since we are given two classes and the dispersion of the classes, the maximum variance is along the x-axis if we do not consider any class. but we want to separate the classes, hence we should go with variation along y-axis, which will help to separate these two classes well. So we should go with the linear discriminant analysis, hence the option will be A. Question number 4. What assumptions are made in logistic regression? The assumptions that were made in logistic regression are log odds are linearly dependent on the coefficients, so the option A is correct. Class probabilities are independent, which is not correct, because if we talk about the binary classification problem, suppose we have two classes, class A and B, then probability of A and probability of B sums to 1, hence those two classes the probabilities are not independent, so B is incorrect. Training examples are independent. This is correct assumption and is used to derive maximum likelihood estimate. So the correct answers are A and C. Question number 5. For one versus all classification in logistic regression for data with k classes, which of the following options true? Suppose we have three classes. This is class A, this is class B, and this is class C. So for one versus all classification, we should have decision boundary like this. So this boundary is separating class A from all other classes. For class B, the decision boundaries would be like this, which will be separating the class B from all other classes. And for class C, the boundaries should be something like that, like this. So for three classes, we need three decision boundaries. Likewise, for k classes, we need k decision boundaries, and we need to fit. So to get k decision boundary, we need to fit k models. So the correct answer will be A. Okay. So this is the solution for the assignment of week 3. Thank you.